way into Springfield. He's running off the road several times. It's a red pickup truck. I think it's a Chevrolet or a GMC. Chevrolet. He's got a pipe rack on the back. Going off the road again. He's coming up in the intersection right now.
We're at River Stop.
We're at River Stop, passing cars. He's getting ready to make a turn. If he gets back on the road. He's not even gonna stop. He looks like he's going straight.
He just went in the ditch.
He just went in the ditch. Everything bounced out the back of his truck.
How fucked up is fucked up? That's fucked up. And that's fucked up. And
Oh!